Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the 5 applications and 5 games RAM management speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X7 Max device after the recent software update. Yes, just couple of days back I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2 and couple of hours ago I did receive the update in the Realme X7 Max. And after the receiving of the update, plenty of users did ask me one question: can you please check how is the RAM management and the performance of the speed test after the recent software update? So that is the reason I thought of choosing 5 games and 5 applications side by side just to check which phone can actually open these applications and games faster and without using any kind of high performance mode. So there is no high performance mode during the process of demonstration at all. And I did turn on the virtual RAM in this phone. So virtual RAM is of 5 GB is turned on in this phone. So sorry for the lighting disturbance. So virtual RAM is turned on in this phone, and RAM boost is also turned on in the OnePlus Nord 2. So OnePlus Nord 2 has also got the RAM boost option turned on. So first let's check the Wi-Fi connection, which phone is connected to the what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity at this moment, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, that's perfectly done. Now let me try to show you clearing all the background applications. Everything is clear from the background. As you can see, virtual RAM is turned on, 8 plus 5 GB. And now this is going to be really very interesting, friends. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of 5 applications and 5 games, and 5 games, 3 big games as well I did include, as you can see clearly. So this is a question which has been come from plenty of subscribers: can you please test the applications and the games together, and can you include the big games as well? So that is the reason I thought of making this kind of video, so which might be helpful for some of the users, right? Not bad. So till now both phones were able to load the applications faster, and the Twitter, not bad at all. It's kind of neck to neck always. As you can see, if it's neck to neck, OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max. This is a Realme X7 Max, so don't get confused. So even you will get to know looking at the navigation bar buttons as well, which one is got what type of buttons. So right now Subway Surf, let's see, slightly open faster in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, a little bit faster, and Realme X7 Max just now it would open. It's not huge difference, I would say, just little bit difference, not much. And I'll try to do definitely the speed test comparison between the Poco F3 GT as well using these phones, just to check how is the RAM management is performing. Using the same kind of method I can try. So 5 applications and 5 games. And now the big game starts, the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see which phone can actually open this game faster. So that's the reason I'm trying to include even the big games: Battlegrounds Mobile, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty. So I did not include the Genshin Impact because that is another big game, because if I try to include the Genshin Impact, that will definitely clear some RAM management and clear all the background applications. But I'll try to include those as well in another video, but stay tuned for those videos. So right now first phone to open is the Realme X7 Max. So Realme X7 Max did open slightly faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. Next is the Asphalt 9. Let's see the Asphalt 9, which one can actually open faster. Asphalt 9. I think the OnePlus Nord 2 did turn on Asphalt 9 logo first, but let's see. Let's wait for the Realme X7 Max to confirm what is happening with the Realme X7 Max at this point. So we never know unless the game opens. Only then we'll be able to get to know. First in the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see. First in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. So next is the Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty. Which phone can actually open faster? I think OnePlus Nord 2 maybe. So, and both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Yes, absolutely same Wi-Fi network. During this process I did not change at all. So right now I think so, as you can see, OnePlus Nord 2 did show this kind of login page first, and now the Realme X7 Max also getting loaded with my account, which is in, as you can see. And this is my day 1 of using the Realme X7 Max, friends. So I need to test to update on the temperatures and the battery backup and everything. I'll update you later, maybe tomorrow. These are the 5 games and 5 applications are completely open in the background. As you can see, now the real task starts. Let's see which phone can keep how many applications and how many games in the background. So right now both phones, no problem, and both are 8 GB variants. That's the one thing which I thought of forgot to mention. So both are 8 GB RAM variants only. So Battlegrounds Mobile, perfect, and Temple Run also perfect, no issues, no problem. Subway Surf also perfect. So 5 games loaded without any kind of problem in both phones. So no issues at all in 5 games. With full speed they loaded. Let's try the Instagram from the multitasking. Not bad at all, Instagram. Next is Twitter. Let's see the Twitter. I'm trying to show you from the multitasking because you should know those apps are completely open in the background. So next is the Google Chrome. Let's see the Google Chrome. So till now 7. Both phones are equal. Let's see the Google Chrome 1, 2, 3. Both phones didn't load the Google Chrome, as you can see. I think in terms of the RAM management, maybe both phones might be performing kind of close to each other. I think so. That's the one thing I can say that. Let's check the flip card. 1, 2, 3. Both phones didn't keep the flip card in the background. As you can see, that's kind of equal scores right now till now. And Amazon 1, 2, 3. Both again, as you can see. Now, final test is to check the random RAM management. I mean, after opening the first application, I need to check again last one, whether how many games can both phones can store. So both phones did not store the Call of Duty. No, Asphalt 9 also gone, and Battlegrounds Mobile, both phones did. That's fantastic, equal points. And the Temple Run, not bad. So both phones. Subway Surf was not bad, as you can see. Exactly, yes. Now it should not be a problem. So overall, I think 5 applications and maybe 3 games it can actually store, I think, in the background. That is what my estimations are based upon these results. As you can see, so 5 applications and 3 games both phone can store equally without any kind of issues. So this is a complete RAM management and the speed test comparison between both phones after the recent software update between these devices. In case if you want me to upload any other videos specifically, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.